Today's video regarding Canon Pixma TS3452 printer. I'm going to show you how to do the initial setup of the printer and how to do the wireless setup, and also we will install the setup ink cartridges. And the first step is to switch on the printer, so press the power button and you will see 0 will appear in the display panel. Next thing is to install the ink cartridges. So you get 243 number ink cartridge black with this printer, 244 color ink cartridge. Now take them out of the plastic packaging. Open the ink cartridge chamber door, press the lock down. Now to install the setup ink cartridge, you will see there is a marking color and black. So we have to place them one by one. Push the lock down with your finger. Now place the color ink cartridge in the color side. Simply slide it in and push the lock up. So this is the lock here, you have to push it up. Same way, place the black in, slide it in and push the lock upside. Now close the ink cartridge chamber door. Now we have to load the A4 size sheets. So open the rear paper tray, adjust the size, place the A4 size sheets here, make it tight and press OK on the display panel. Now I'm going to show you how to do the wireless setup of the printer. That means we are going to connect it with the Wi-Fi network of our home or office. For that we have to go to any device. For example, I have an iPhone here, and open the Canon Print app. So this you can download from the App Store. It will ask you to search for available printers. So click yes. It cannot found the printer, so click OK. And on the next screen it will show up if printer cannot be found. So click on this icon. Click on the auto connection. Our printer has a button like this, so click on yes. We have to press and hold this button for 3 seconds on the printer. 1, 2, 3. Confirm it. Now we have to click OK and go to the Wi-Fi setting. Wait for your printer series to appear here and click on it. Once it is connected, go back, open the Canon Print app again and click OK once we have connected with the Wi-Fi. Now we have to select our Wi-Fi network. So check if it is the correct one and click yes. Enter the password of your Wi-Fi network and click on the done button. Once our printer is added, you will see this message. Now from here you can start wireless printing, scanning. So it can do the two-sided printing. For scanning you can use the top scanner bed, and for the copy you can use the top scanner bed as well. To do a copy, simply we have to place a page here facing downwards, close the lid and click on the color or the black icon. And if you want to scan, simply click on the scan icon, click scan again, select your printer and it will start the scanning. So it's very easy to set up the printer. Within few minutes we can connect it with the wireless network, then we can start wireless printing and scanning. So it's a good printer for home or office use. Here we can see quickly scan has been done and it's transferred here. So this way we can set up this printer and then we can use it. Thanks for watching.